Full self-driving version 14.3.2. Tesla, what happened to you? Last month you drove like a chauffeur king. Now you miss my house and everything. 14.2.2.5. Man, that build made FSD feel alive. Smooth as butter, cool and calm. Now version 14.3.2 can't even find my home. You used to glide through every lane. Now I wonder if you camp in the left-hand lane. You see the road but miss the sign, and somehow pass my street 3 times. Come on, Tesla, send an update down. My car can't even find my house. You had the magic, you had the spark. Now we're making U-turns after dark. 14.3.2 feels wrong, like my smart car forgot its song. I just want that confidence back instead of wandering off the track. So Elon, if you hear this rhyme, roll that Hotfix out in time. I don't need Mars or robot chrome, I just want my Tesla to find its way home.